Welcome back to Rec Trends channel, Automotive Enthusiasts. In today's video, we have some important news that we want to share with you, namely Toyota-related news. So let's dive right in. Toyota is recalling around 96,000 Corolla Cross vehicles sold in North America between 2022 and 2023 due to a possible problem with the passenger side airbag. The issue is not with the airbag itself, but with the part of the dashboard that contains the airbag. Some models may not have a proper opening in the panel that allows the airbag to deploy correctly during a crash. This could increase the risk of injury. Affected vehicles do not meet the required safety standards for crashes set by the government. Toyota advises owners not to use the front passenger seat until the vehicle has been inspected and necessary parts have been replaced. The company has not provided any information about incidents or injuries related to improper airbag deployment. Only Corolla Cross models with standard combustion engines from 2022 and 2023 are included in the recall. Hybrid models are not affected. If a problem is found during inspection, Toyota will replace the instrument panel. The company will start notifying owners in July, and for any questions, people can contact Toyota's Brand Engagement Center at 800-331-4331. This recall is part of a series of airbag-related recalls that have affected various automakers. In May, General Motors recalled nearly 1 million SUVs due to potentially defective inflators that could explode. Prior to that, Ford recalled 231,000 older Ranger vehicles to address airbag inflators replaced during a previous recall. In April, Volkswagen recommended not having front seat passengers in Atlas models due to potentially faulty wiring that could prevent airbag deployment. The Takata airbag scandal also continues to affect millions of vehicles, with companies like BMW and Honda issuing do not drive orders this year alone. And that wraps up our coverage of the recent Toyota airbag recall. Stay tuned for more automotive news and updates on our channel. Remember to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell so you never miss any important information. Drive safely, and we'll catch you in the next video.